More law of signs. Now we're gonna start dealing with the areas of triangles. So just got a little generic triangle hanging out down here. We're gonna want to talk about finding its area. But I'm gonna set it up just a tad bit different. But before I do, let's write down that isn't the area of a triangle, isn't that equal to 1/2 base times height? Remember that formula? The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Every other STEM class you ever take from now on, you're pretty much required to know that. So get that locked in your brain if you don't have it already. Area of a triangle, 1/2 base times height. So I'd like to, instead, I usually put A at the bottom. I'm going to put the base down here. Cool. I'm going to call this one A, this one B, and then this could be our angle A over here. This can be angle C. And I'm not going to write in, well, here, that would be angle B. But I'm going to take that out. I'm going to play a little game real quick. Cool. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. And we need a height, and that's not why I didn't write in the angle B. We're gonna ruin this angle right there. We're gonna ruin that angle by dropping a perpendicular down. You know what I mean? We can call that the height. Notice how it did not cut B in half, right? Because A and C aren't the same lengths. All right, we've created a little triangle. So let's do it. Let's see if we can't solve for H. So I'd like to just look at this triangle here, if you don't mind. Right here. That right triangle. And can we just notice that the sine isn't part of that? Do you mind if we just look at that and go like sine of C is equal to, what is that? H over A. That H that we need over A. Let's put that back. Let's say that like that H. So we're going to sub in for. We want to get that all by itself. So why don't we just multiply by A over on the other side? And we're going to find out that H is equal to A times sine of C. Well, why don't we just take this here, little sub, just put it in there. And we're like, all right. So this is equal to 1/2 B times, and we pop all that in there. We're like A times sine of C. And we have it, but let's put it into the friendly way of writing it. So the area of a triangle, I can't write A, big A, right? Because that's an angle. That's why I'm writing area. And it's going to be, don't forget the 1/2. It's 1/2 A times B times sine of C. And this is going to be able to find your area. But notice what's needed to do this. There's your triangle. You would need two sides, and you'd need the angle in between. This is for the side angle side. Side angle side, we can go get the area of a triangle. But let me write it up a few different ways, because the A, B, and the C are completely arbitrary. So let's put everything back in and show you the different ways we could write this. So now I will put the B in up top. Cool. So let's write our first one. I'm going to write it again. So the area of the triangles, it's equal to, and we have that first one, the 1/2 AB sine C. And let's see if we can't, get out of here. Get out of here. Why can't I get that to go away? Huh. For some reason it will not erase. So I'll just leave that there. We have our 1/2 AB sine C. So that's this one, and this one. Now how else could we set it up? Let's take two sides and trap an angle in between. So we'd say that we have another formula that would be 1/2, let's do alphabetical order, A times C times sine of the angle that's in between, and that would be big old B. That'd be big old B. Now, if we play the game one more time, there's three different formulas. There's not three formulas. It's all completely arbitrary. We could say, well, let's take this side, and we can trap that angle in between as well. And now we can say that we have 1/2, let's keep it alphabetical, B times C sine of A. But notice all the letters are represented every single time when we do this. So here are our areas of the triangles, right here, but for when you have the side angle side case. Pretty simple. It's a good little formula. We have another area formula, but we won't get that until we get into 3.2 when we start dealing with the law of cosines. But this is one more time. If you have a side angle side case, that's how we just got the rest of them, we would use this formula to get its area. Sometimes it's not given to you in side angle side and it's going to ask you to find the area. You better just go make it. Turn the problems into side angle side and go get it. All right, maybe we'll do a problem in another video. Maybe we won't. I don't know. We'll see.